Schools want to provide not only a good education to their students, but job-ready skills because, well, let's face it, students don't want to work at the coffee shop after they graduate. The world of engineering is rapidly changing. How do engineering instructors develop new learning materials and stay on top of new technology, all while planning lessons, teaching, creating exams, grading, publishing, researching? Whew. It can be overwhelming. They need to learn and then teach the latest skills to their engineering students. Engineering students need effective lab time. They need access to the latest technology, not old computers and old software. They need to be certified on the software they are learning. Without access to an effective lab, the right tools, the best learning materials, and the certification employers want to see, students will not be ready for the real world. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS Education. SOLIDWORKS Education provides universities and high schools a suite of SOLIDWORKS products, including the most widely used 3D CAD software in the industry. With support and training from a SOLIDWORKS value-added reseller, your students will benefit from free student licensing, free certification, and, best of all, the opportunity to develop job-ready skills based on up-to-date learning materials created by their instructor or provided by SOLIDWORKS. With its easy-to-use software, SOLIDWORKS Education Solution provides schools ready-for-use, easier-to-teach lessons, free student licenses of premium products, free certification for students, the opportunity to teach job-ready skills. The SOLIDWORKS Education Solution makes preparing students for their career stress-free. And with great curriculum and free certification, schools can give their students the best opportunity to jump into their dream job and start a great career. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS Education Solutions, contact solidworks.education@3ds.com or your local value-added reseller. Or visit our website at www.solidworks.com/education. SOLIDWORKS Education, class-ready lessons, software for every student, job-ready skills development.